Someone says, if this scientific theory is true, then life has no meaning. That would be unbearable, so the theory must be false. It sounds persuasive because it tugs at our fears. But that's the argument from consequences fallacy. If it's scary, it must be false. This fallacy happens when we judge a claim's truth based on whether the results feel good or bad. In other words, the desirability of the outcome is treated as proof of the claim itself. But reality doesn't bend to our hopes or fears. A claim is true or false regardless of how we feel about the consequences. You'll hear it in debates about science. If evolution is real, then morality collapses, so evolution can't be real. Or in politics, if climate change is happening, the economy will suffer. Therefore, climate change isn't real. Even in everyday life, if this diagnosis is correct, it means I'll need serious treatment. That's too awful to accept, so it must be wrong. Why does it work? Because consequences are emotional. We want to believe good news and reject bad news. Our brains mistake comfort for truth and discomfort for falsehood. How to spot it? Listen for arguments where the reaction to an outcome replaces actual evidence. Ask yourself, does this reasoning provide facts or just feelings about what the facts would mean? The argument from consequences is powerful because it speaks to our hopes and fears. But evidence, not wishful thinking, decides what's real. Next, don't trust it. Look where it came from. We'll explore the genetic fallacy.
Think critically, see clearly. Searchlighter.